If you want to know if we have the dual app feature available on Samsung Galaxy S26, then the answer is yes, we do. It is called Dual Messenger, and in order to find it, you can just simply open Settings, then in here scroll down and search for Advanced Features. Over here in Advanced Features, you should be able to find Dual Messenger in here, and you can find all available or compatible apps. Well, apps that are compatible with this feature. Unfortunately, you will not be able to clone every app that you have on your phone, but you should be able to clone most of the social media apps, and you can of course give it a try in here. Now, in order to create the clone, you can just simply tap on this switcher in here, and that should be it. Besides that, you can also use the secure folder to duplicate an app. However, it is less popular choice simply because well, the secure folder is used for, quite frankly, a little bit more than that. But of course, if you want to, you can set up the secure folder as well and use that to install exactly the same app inside the secure folder, and that app will store a different information. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.